Hello everyone, welcome to Target Fix channel. In series of ethical hacking, this is the second part. Google Docs. I think a lot of people have listened this word. What is the purpose of Google Doc? Means it will make our search unique and fast. గూగుల్ డాక్స్లో మనకేంటంటే కొన్ని కీవర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ కీవర్డ్స్ ఉపయోగించి మనం ఏంటంటే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని ఫాస్ట్గా గ్రాప్ చేయొచ్చు. Let's see. These are some of the Google Docs. I will explain one by one. In URL, value is considered somewhere in the URL. కింద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ప్రివెంటింగ్ ransomware in URL FBI. If you provide like this as an example, in the URL, if it contains FBI, it will show all the web pages. Site, only search within the web pages site given domain. So let's see the example. Site microsoft.com, which means regarding to microsoft.com extension, whatever the web pages the Google have, it will show all the things. File type, search only for files, not web pages, which means it will provide us this specific type of file. NASA moon landing, file type is JPG, which means it will provide all the related images towards the NASA. All in URL, which means here in a double quotation we are providing some keywords. If a URL contain blob in the URL or WordPress in the URL, it will show all the pages. In text, which means whatever the data which you are providing in the in text Google Doc, if it contain in the body of the web page, it will shows in the Google search related. Okay, let's see. For each and everything you will look towards the example. I'm not reading everything. Related means whatever that we have provided as a URL, it will grab all the related data. In related, info, link, all are come under the same category. I mean the functionality may be the same, which means the URL related to the search URL, it will provide us the data. And quant plus word minus word, mostly we can't use those. These are the main. In URL, site, file type, in text, yeah, those will be info. Info is also one of the important keyword. Okay, here let's say Google hacking database, which means in this database, yeah, we have all type of data, which means based on the Google Docs we can grab a lot of data which was present in Google databases. Maybe we are searching with a keyword, but we don't know which type of data present in the Google. Let's see as an example. Here I will go to the Chrome and I will type Google hacking database. You can go towards the first one, exploit DB. Here you can see 490 of pages are there, which means in each and every Google Doc there is a information towards a databases, but we need to know which type of data there in each and every URL. Let's see first one. Okay, web server detection. I mean in this site we can find related to web server. In below, files containing juicy info, pages containing login portals. Let's go for this. Yeah, here it will provide some information. Okay, Google Doc in URL admin login. Yeah, this is basic thing. And here you can click in the Google search, then it will go towards the databases, what it was showing that. Yeah, I don't know what type of information that is showing. Public finance management system, it's something related to that. We don't want all those stuff. Okay. Let's continue our and to see some, I mean for each and every one they are using Google Drives as well as some cloud bases. Yeah, we can see based of this Google Doc we can see some of the information, but we don't know from whom information that we are looking towards it. And this is a link one. Yeah, Wayback Mission. This website is used to know the web page how it will be in the previous. I mean ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉందో ఒక వెబ్ పేజ్ అనేది ఒక 10 years బ్యాక్ ఎలా ఉందో మనం చూడాలి అనుకుంటే we can use this website. Yeah, it is catchy. The Wayback Mission functionality same as the catchy functionality. Yeah, it is example. Yeah, for site this is okay, it will show. I mean here they are site keyword with osasp.org. Let's see in the below, it will providing all the related stuff towards it. Yeah, it is in text, in URL. Yeah, these are some Google docs towards looking private public webcams in whatever the country there. This is in title keyword. Advanced operators in titles is same. And this is another Google doc. We can find information towards all this.